Section 6.2 From Losses to Break Even. You may take down these steps which will help you to answer questions related to losses to break even. Since firms are making losses in the short run, existing firms will leave the industry in the long run. As firms leave the industry, the market supply will decrease, and this will cause the market equilibrium price to increase. The price will increase up to a level where price is equal to ATC. This is when firms have no more incentive to stop leaving since they are breaking even. And remember that firms in perfect competition will break even in the long run. Now let's take a look at the diagrams. First, we draw the market equilibrium to get the market equilibrium price and quantity. Since each firm is a price taker, the firm will take the market equilibrium price of P0. The firm will take the price of P0, and this is also each firm's AR and MR curve. Since firm is making a loss, the average total cost should be higher than AR. So we draw an ATC that is above AR. Next, we draw the MC, which needs to cut through the minimum point of ATC. How do we get the amount of loss? Since the profit maximizing condition is MR equal to MC, we look for the point where MR intersects MC. And this is given by small q0. Notice that at this point, AR is less than ATC, and this will give us the amount of loss as indicated by the shaded area. So this is the initial point or profit diagram where firm is making subnormal profit. Now in the long run, the firm will not continue making losses because some firms will exit the industry. And as they exit, the market supply will fall and price will increase, which will ensure that all firms will break even in the long run. It is easier for us to draw the diagram backwards by showing the break-even point for each firm. We know that in the long run, each firm will break even, so we draw the new AR line which meets ATC at its minimum point. So in the long run, the price level will increase, and we project this new equilibrium price level to the market diagram. By doing it this way, we will know how much the supply curve should shift to ensure the correct price level where P is equal to ATC. Now we know that the price should increase to P1. To draw in the supply curve, this new supply curve should shift to the left to such an extent that it will meet the demand curve at a new equilibrium price of P1. So S0 will shift to S1. The new market equilibrium quantity will fall to Q1. And for each firm, its new profit maximizing quantity will be at MR1 equal to MC, which also happens to be at minimum ATC, and it's indicated by small q1. So each firm's output has increased from Q0 to small q1.